Discover your true worth, a simple Zen story. In a quiet village, nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise old Zen master named Kisho. He was known and wide for his profound wisdom and serene presence. People from all walks of life would come to him, seeking guidance and enlightenment. One day, a young man named Taro arrived at Kisho's doorstep. Taro was a humble, hardworking, diligent farmer, but he struggled with self-doubts and felt insignificant in the grand scheme of things. He longed to understand his true worth and sought Kisho's wisdom. Master Kisho, I work hard every day, but I feel no value. I am just a simple farmer and I don't see how my life makes any difference. Can you help me understand my true worth? Taro asked. Kisho listened carefully to Taro's wisdom. He smiled gently and invited Taro to sit with him. After silence, Kisho stood up and handed Taro a small, seemingly ordinary stone. Take this stone, Taro, and go to the market. Try to sell it, but remember to not sell it. Just find out what people are willing to offer for it. Kisho instructed. Confused but trusting the master, Taro took the stone and went to the bustling market. He approached a vegetable vendor and showed him the stone. This is just a regular stone. I will give you 5 coins for it, the vegetable vendor said. Taro thanked the vendor but didn't sell the stone. He then went to the pottery merchant and showed him the stone. This stone is interesting, but I can only offer you 10 coins, the pottery merchant said. Again, Taro thanked the merchant and moved on. He then approached the jeweler's shop, hoping for a different response. This is a unique stone, but don't see this often. I can offer you 100 coins for it, the jeweler said. Surprised by the jeweler's offer, Taro turned to Kisho and told him about the various offers he had received. Master, the vegetable vendor offered 5 coins, the pottery merchant 10, but the jeweler offered 100 coins. I don't understand why the offers varied so much, Taro said, puzzled. Taro, the stone is like you. To some, it seems ordinary and of little value, but to those who truly understand its worth, it is precious. Your true worth is not determined by those who can't see your value, but by those who recognize your unique qualities and contributions, Kisho explained. The masters were deeply moved. Taro, he realized that his self-worth shouldn't be based on the opinions of those who couldn't see his true value. Instead, he should focus on recognizing his worth and finding those who appreciated him for who he indeed was. Taro embraced his work with renewed vigor and confidence in the days that followed. He found joy in the simple tasks of farming, knowing that his contributions were valuable. He also began to connect with others in his community who appreciated his hard work and dedication. Through this simple Zen story, we learned a powerful lesson about self-worth. Like the stone, our value is not always immediately apparent to everyone. It's important to remember that your worth doesn't diminish just because someone failed to recognize it. True worth comes from within, from understanding our unique qualities and contributions. As we reflect on the story, consider how many may have undervalued yourself or allowed others to determine your worth. Consider the unique qualities and strength you possess that make you valuable. Recognize that your worth is intrinsic and not dependent on external validation. Thank you for joining me on the journey of self-discovery. If the story resonates with you, please like, share and subscribe for more tales of wisdom and reflection. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How have you discovered your worth? Remember, this accurate measure of your value lies within you. Until next time, may you find peace and clarity on your path to self-discovery.